Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we're talking about the pure original ingredients ground cayenne pepper, the best cayenne pepper 365 available. This cayenne pepper comes in a 1-pound package, perfect for adding a spicy kick to your favorite dishes. Whether you're looking to spice up your sauces, dry rubs, or hot sauces, this cayenne pepper is perfect for all your culinary needs. One of the things that sets this cayenne pepper apart is its quality. Customers rave about the freshness and potency of this product. A little goes a long way, so you can enjoy the flavor without overwhelming your taste buds. This cayenne pepper is vegan and made with pure, original ingredients. It's perfect for those looking for a high-quality spice to enhance their cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to add some heat to your dishes, the pure original ingredients ground cayenne pepper is a must-have in your pantry. That's it for today's review of the pure original ingredients ground cayenne pepper. If you're looking for a top-quality cayenne pepper to elevate your dishes, be sure to check out this product. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.